Student, this year we are going to learn more types of angles. Okay, with these three basic types we are going to learn some new types of angle. That is, first, zero angle. Zero angle. Now zero angle means what? The measure of the zero angle will be always 0 degree, means there will be no angle in between them. For example, see here, this pen, both the pens, if I keep in this position one above the other, that means here no angle is there. That means this is the zero angle. Okay, so here zero angle means what? The zero angle is measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Then our next type is, second type is acute angle, which I already told you. Acute angle means what? The angle which is greater than 0 degree, which is greater than 0 degree, but it will be less than 90 degree, is called an acute angle. For example, see here, when zero angle was there, that time this red position, these both pens were here. Now if I turn this position like this way, so this type of angle is called a acute angle, which will be the greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Our third type is right angle. Our third type is right angle. Right angle means what? Which will be the measure of exactly 90 degree. Here this measure of the right angle will be exactly 90 degree. So angle which measures of 90 degree is called right angle. So here this type of angle is acute. Now if I go this direction, so this is a straight angle, it forms straight angle, it forms this straight line. That means in between these two, this angle is 90 degree. So this is called a right angle. Okay. Our next type is obtuse angle. Our fourth type is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Now obtuse angle means an angle which is greater than 90 degree, which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, is called an obtuse angle. For example, here this was right angle. Now if I turn this position this way, then this is called a obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this is called an obtuse angle. Our fifth type is straight angle. After obtuse angle we are going to see straight angle. Now what is meant by straight angle? See, straight means we say that straight line. That means here the angle in between them, suppose this was a right angle, then here this obtuse. Now if I turn this pen like this way, here this type of position is called a straight angle. That means here the angle is a 180 degree. So that is called a straight angle. So what is meant by straight angle? A straight angle measures will be the 180 degree. That is called straight angle. Our next type is, sixth one is the reflex angle. What is meant by reflex angle? See here. Now a reflex angle is greater than 180 but less than 360. Now students, see there, this was a straight angle. Okay, here in this condition this straight angle was formed. Okay, now if I turn this pen towards this direction, this type of angle is known as the reflex angle. See here. Okay, so this here from this side we have to measure this, the reflex angle, which will be the greater than 180 degree greater than 180 degree, but which will be the less than 360 degree. See, when we will complete the one rotation, that time our measurement will be the 360 degree. So the angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called an reflex angle. And our last type is the complete angle. Complete angle. So now what is meant by complete angle? See here. Now when we will complete the one rotation, that time it will be the complete angle. That means here it was the reflex angle. Now if we complete this, again it will go towards this position. That time it will complete its one rotation. That means it is the complete angle, or we can say it is a full angle also. This type of angle we say it is the full angle also. So complete angle measure will be always 360 degree. That means it is a complete angle. Okay. So these all types are there for you to study. Now again I will explain you with the help of these pencils. So see here students, this is a zero angle. When there is a position in between there is no angle, that means this is a zero angle. Now if I rotate this towards this direction, that means this is a acute angle. Acute angle means what? I told you, which is less than 90 degree but above greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Then if I take it this way straight, then this is a right angle. The measure of the right angle is 90 degree. Then if I go like this way, this is a obtuse angle, which will be the greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. If I come towards this in a straight line, that means this is a straight angle, which is the measure is the 180 degree. Then here this angle is called a reflex angle, which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And this again when it will complete its one rotation, that means it is a complete angle. The complete angle measure will be the 360 degree. So this is called a complete angle, that means 360 degree. Okay. So did you understand it? Okay. Thank you. कुठे कट करायचं आहे? हां परत केलं. कुठे?
क्लिक कर ना